team, welcome back. Today we're reading passage N, the lion, from the second text in the Simple Comprehension series. The lion stalked its way confidently through the jungle. He was the king of the jungle, and knew it. The birds went silent, and the only sound was the dull thud of the lion's padded paws pinching the soft soil. Suddenly, the sky overhead darkened. A dull boom was followed by a flash of light that pierced the sky. The lion cowered. Something scared the king of the jungle. Questions. Where is the lion? Why did the birds go silent? Why did the lion cower? What was the dull boom? Describe the weather in sentence 4 and 5. Now let's check the answers. Where is the lion? The lion is in the jungle. It mentions the jungle in the first sentence. Why did the birds go silent? Two possible answers here. Perhaps because the lion was there? Or we could say the weather was changing. Why did the lion cower? More possible answers for this question too. Because the weather changed? Because the sky darkened? There was lightning? There was a thunderstorm. What was the dull boom? Well, it's a part of the thunderstorm. We know it's thunder. Describe the weather in sentence 4 and 5. Dark, thunderous, there's a flash of light, there's thunder. Thank you for your time. How did you go?